In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change proofing language in PowerPoint. If you collaborate across regions or switch between languages, setting the correct proofing language ensures spell check, grammar suggestions, and hyphenation work the way you expect. This doesn't change the display language of PowerPoint itself. It simply tells PowerPoint how to proofread the text you've selected. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Once it's open, click into the text you want to check. PowerPoint applies the proofing language to the exact text you select, so selection matters. If you want to cover an entire text box or placeholder, click inside it and press Ctrl+A to select everything within that area. If you have multiple text boxes on a slide, repeat the selection in each one so the language tag is applied consistently where you need it. With your text selected, go to the Review tab on the ribbon. This is where PowerPoint groups all editing and proofing tools. In the Review tab, find the Language command and choose Set Proofing Language. That opens the Language dialog box, which lists available languages and their regional variants. Scroll to find your language, or type to jump in the list if available. Pay attention to the region you choose, since English in the United States and English in the United Kingdom, for example, use different spelling conventions. Once you've highlighted the language you want, click OK. PowerPoint will now use that language's rules to check the text you selected. If you don't immediately see changes, try running a quick spelling check from the Review tab or retyping a word to trigger updated suggestions. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Because language settings are applied per selection, you may need to repeat the process for other text boxes, slide titles, and content placeholders throughout your deck. If you're working with slide notes or content on the slide master or layouts, those areas may also need the language set separately. Imported content from other files can carry its own language tag, so it's worth reapplying the setting if spellcheck behaves unexpectedly. And if you collaborate with others, agree on the language variant you'll all use to keep results consistent. That's all there is to it. Open your presentation, select the text, go to Review, choose Language, set the proofing language you need, and click OK. With the right language set, your checks and suggestions will be accurate, professional, and tailored to your audience.